Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X90 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable the power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down on your home screen and then swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles, and we're looking for a power saving toggle somewhere between all of these. So for me it is right over here. It's called battery saver. So once you find it, simply press on it. It gives us this pop-up. So to extend battery life, power saving assistant will reduce the device's performance, turn off 5G, restrict vibrations and most background data for sync-dependent apps such as email and chat tools. What it means is basically Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and so on. You may need to open them to receive new messages. So what it basically refers to here, which this probably could have been described a little bit better, once we turn it on, it will basically disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you're connected to both of them, it disables them when the device is in sleep mode, which this would be right now, sleep mode. Once you wake up the device, it will typically connect to network, but it again tries to save power, so it might not actually check every app. So you might need to open it up. But because of this, probably the biggest problem will be that when you're not using the device, you won't probably be getting any kind of notifications that are relying on internet connection. So that is something that you will need to keep in mind when using power saving mode. Now with that being said, once you're done with your power saving mode and you want to just go back to the normal mode, so your device goes back to functioning as it should, or as it might be used to, simply find the toggle, tap on it again, and everything gets reverted back to its original state. Now, with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.